Alright, so here we are, another unboxing. This is a pretty cool kit, actually. Brown Dog Gadgets. I mean, it's pretty cool. These are teachers that have assembled some STEAM kits that sell them for a really reasonable price. You can also get these as class sets as well. But if you want a little request, they have a little request program that you can go and request a sample. Have a try. So what we're going to do today is we're going to unbox this, or unbag it, I should say, to see what we have inside and the kinds of things that they promote over at Brown Dog. So the first thing we'll do is let's just look at some of the cards. So the cards are really cool. First of all, they're contact stuff, so you can contact them. Very cool. And in this kit, in particular, we have solar bugs, we have some paper circuit stuff, and we have Bristol bots. Now, you have materials for all these things, but you can also do a ton of other things with them as well. So they're not necessarily just for those. The maker tape, this is conductive tape. And this, again, it just gives you a little rundown as to what it is. Each of the cards has a little QR code, too, so if you need more information, boom, you just click on the QR and away you go. And here's just like a quick paper circuit. Right? So kids can create circuits very quickly using one of the LEDs and that maker tape that we just looked at. Now, their instructions for this kit. There's a name badge. Okay, so you put your name, and then there's a little LED that goes there. On the back, it shows you how to hook it up. Okay, so again, you're completing a circuit for this, and it gives you some instructions. And again, like I showed you on every card, there's a QR code to get more help. The felt bracelet's really nice too. Again, I like calling these cups of curiosity for the boys. But again, there's a QR code, and it kind of gives you a rundown of how to go about doing it. Again, everything's in the bag that we'll look at in a minute. The Bristol bot, again, it's like a toothbrush that you put a vibrating motor on. Actually an offset motor, and it just goes to town, just makes tons of movement. It gives you some ideas on how you can dress it up, put googly eyes and stuff like that. That one's a fun one. The solar bug's really fun too. This is a popular one. And again, it uses the solar panel to create movement. And oh, here they are. Here are some of your beetles that you can use for your solar bug. Okay, so they give you even some templates that you can use, and then they show you how to hook it up. And then the last one is the name badge. This is pretty cool, very simple to set up. I'll show you how to, the materials and stuff, and again, it gives you the step by step. So let's look inside here quickly, and we'll see all the different materials that we have. So this is just a request bag, so you can get it pretty much for free. And then you can buy some student sets if you wanted to as well. So the first one is our solar bug. Again, you have your solar panel, you got some googly eyes, and two-directional tape where you can tape all that stuff onto the templates that we saw. And again, remember, you can repurpose this to do another project with as well. Here is for our light up name tag. You got your battery in there, you got a couple of lights you can choose from, and then a little pin to pin it on. Here is our kind of cool name tag. This goes together here, and again, it has all the materials inside to light it up, and you can, have a little name tag for yourself. And then the last one is the Bristol bot. Again, you have your little toothbrush inside. There's my little offset motor to give it some motion. Got some eyes, etc., arms I can create. All right, so everything that you need is inside here, but you can buy class sets of these and then repurpose them, right? So once the Bristol bot's done, you take the pack, take the materials, the motor, whatever, and create something else. So again, these are multifaceted kind of kits. So if you want to know more about Brown Dog Gadgets, let me just pull up their card one more time for you. Go check it out. I mean, there's so many great resources. This is stuff for teachers, by teachers, which I love. And they have so much stuff to go check out. So I recommend that you go and look at Brown Dog Gadgets.